Hey, welcome back guys, it's Gaming with Kyle, also known as Kyle Scoots, and today we are going to do the draft challenge with my clan. First, let's do a couple donates. And this is my main deck I've been using, but today we are going to do the draft challenge so we don't need it. Let's put the first request. Let's put video. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick right now, but it's okay. Let's take the battle ram, since it's new and all. The poison spell. The golem. You guys know I'm a golem user, right? We gave him a pretty good deck, but let's see. Okay, so he gave me a Sparky, so I'm going to be using a Golem Sparky deck. Let's see how this works. So he has the princess. I'll have to poison her, that's all I can do. So he has the counter to our deck. So here's his balloon. We're gonna get some damage over there, but we're gonna need to send the witch right here. No, the Sparky's gonna get no damage. I think we might end up losing this one, guys. We kind of set ourselves up for failure. Wow, what was that? Let's just try throwing out a battle ram. See if he has anything for it. Oh, he does have the Valkyrie. It's a really good counter if you guys did not know for the battle ram. But his Valkyrie seems to be underleveled. I had to play it, and you just cycled to my witch, guys. It's the only thing I could have done. But it looks like we might end up taking out his tower. I guess we will, and then we'll send in a secret battle ram, but it's gonna be detected. We gotta drop some barbs. The princess. I have no choice. I gotta try to stop this. And it worked really well. Looks like this one's gonna be a loss. That ended up being really close to the end, but that was a loss, guys. Yes, request some well giants. Here. Falco's is a cool guy, his real name's Jacob, but this is my friend, we are a wolf pack. Oh, we need to go. Let's use this log. Take the balloon. and a giant. So we're gonna use an old-fashioned giant balloon deck with the tornado as a twist. So we are using a giant loon deck. See if he knows how to use it. Not a giant loon miner deck, guys. So we're gonna minion. And then gobs. We're gonna take out his tower over here, guys. So make pre-king tower. He does have tornado. He does have minion horde. So we're gonna tornado it. Let my king tower play. I think we're gonna win with him only having 3 health left. That was a really good win, guys. I'm not used to hog decks, so take the giant. I'm more used to lightning. I love the bomb tower. If you guys did not know, I'm a bomb tower user. Ooh, we're doing some old-fashioned giant graveyard, guys. Pretty sure this guy's going to try to mirror the hog rider, but we will find out. So we got the barbarian hut, giant skeleton. He got the royal giant, so might have to end up leaving that alone, and we're gonna try to win right now. But I'm gonna stay focused on this push, guys. I gotta lightning this. I think he just beat me, guys. He just beat me. So that was a really good game. It ended up going really fast. Hey, let's watch some of our friends use the draft challenge. See how it looks from a perspective view. Oh no, the dreaded left bars. I'm not gonna choose anyone. They're both really good friends. Got a mortar. Lumberjack. It's a pretty deadly combo, but he did not use it right. Let's see, will the Pekkas go in front? No, it will not. Doesn't matter, he missed it. Put the hog in the back, which was a really dumb move. But it made the Pekka not be targeted. So I guess it's really good. This name's Colin, and he's Ricky, of course. But Colin's getting some pretty good hits. Hey guys, we're back with the technical difficulties, so sorry about that. Power. We'll watch this later. Let's do some battle. I love tacos says hi, YouTube. Sorry guys, I had to pause that. My parents called me for a minute, but it looks like they're not going to do anything, and the challenge doesn't start yet, so by the way, leave in the comments if any challenges or anything you guys want me to do. I ended up dropping out of legendary for the clan chest and it didn't work out about pushing back up, but as you can see, I'm not lying, I was in Legendary Arena. And let's see about my clan. Ooh, someone wants a draft challenge. So, guys, what should I pick? I'm gonna go with all rights on this one. I did end up picking okay type of deck, but let's see what happens. Split the archers. Right off the bat with the Inferno. Okay. Let's go with Witch. And he gave me freeze. And me put it in the back. He need log him to freeze all of this and get some mini P.E.K.K.A action. He's got tower and we just did a really good defense, but looks like he's gonna take it out. I spoke way too soon, guys. I'm kinda new to the YouTube thing, I'm usually just playing. I don't know if you guys think this is worth it, but I do. Inferno plus tower damage. Then we're gonna build up some elixir.
Let's go.
Here's the princess. I'm just gonna put Tesla because he's gonna push for this lane, and I'm gonna do that no matter what. So I could mini P.E.K.K.A freeze. If you guys want me to do that, I will. And a log here. So I'm gonna mini P.E.K.K.A freeze right here, guys. So everything else. And freeze. He didn't end up getting one shot on the tower for me wasting 8 elixir. Never do. He put both princesses right next to each other. Ooh, the lightning hit the mini P.E.K.K.A. It's gonna be a really close game, guys, so let's put the Tesla out just for perseverance. I'm gonna put the Witch out. Put the archers. Add some skeletons for her. Log. Mini P.E.K.K.A. Freeze. I did that way too late, but looks like we're gonna win here, guys. Archers, some skeletons, and good game, well played, thumbs up. Here, I'm gonna tell him to say bye-bye to YouTube. Let's see if anyone wants to. Yeah, for you guys' sake, I'll do one trainer match with my deck. I've only tried to use it about once or twice. On the ladder, and you can see that's not really doing me that good. I dropped down to Frozen Peak to push back up, so I gotta start off with the defensive cannon. We'll do this. Log. Musketeer. I say that was a pretty good defense. I'm gonna do this. And miner. This is my push usually. I usually do minor poison all the time. but this push looks like we'll end up winning. Yep. Good game. Trainer Jason. That's 7 comments. Let's see. Bye. Like, can you promote me? Well, thanks guys for watching. This is Gaming with Kyle again, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.